Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. You're watching V for Vloggers, and today in this video we are going to show a place called Mudra Mart. So this place is basically they sell printed t-shirts, corporate giftings and all. You can visit their website. So they have around 3000 plus products. So you just have to you just have to tell your budget and they will send you the range of products coming under your budget. Hi guys, so this is Mudra Mart I was talking about. I'm going inside the shop now. So I'll meet a person called Nitesh. Hi, he's Nitesh.
Hi all.
Hi.
Hi. So we are started in 2015. First we started with t-shirt printing, and then we move on to corporate giftings and all. Not only the t-shirt, even the hoodies, caps, bottles, laptop bags, and diaries, notebooks, each and everything. I can show you later. First it starts with round knit t-shirts. In round knit t-shirts, it starts from 90 rupees. This is a promotional one. I mean, this is for just like a one-day event or something.
Yes.
This will cost you 90.
With printing.
No, whatever the t-shirt I am saying is for only t-shirt prices.
Yeah.
And printing, it depends upon the design and quantity, number
And
of
colors,
size, everything will matter. So this one will cost you 90, and this one will be 125, and this material. This is a polyester one.
Okay.
If you go for cotton and poly mix, you will get this t-shirt. This will cost you 150. And if you want 100% cotton, then this will cost you 180. And a good high range quality, a good quality t-shirt will cost you a cotton bio-wash material, 180 GSM, that will cost you 200. This material. This is our own brand, Aerodynamics. We keep stock of these t-shirts. And this is a cotton material, bio-wash, and there won't be any shrink or color fade, nothing will be there.
Okay, 100% quality.
100% quality, a good quality one.
Yeah.
T-shirt will cost you 200 and printing will be extra.
Okay.
It depends upon the design.
Okay.
And minimum quantity we expect is 20 numbers.
Okay. So it starts from 20.
Yeah, 20 numbers.
Yeah.
And this is a collared one. And starting range is 150, a polyester material. This one.
Yes.
You will get a plain t-shirt for 150. And
Okay.
this will be extra.
Extra based on their
based
requirement.
on printing requirement, we will quote you. And even this will cost you 175,
Yeah.
the polyester one. And cotton polymix will cost you 205, and in 250 we have in two material. This one is a cotton poly. And most of these t-shirts will be preferred for industries and hotel purpose.
Okay.
Those people will prefer this. And rough use, for rough use. And we have like, you will get a plain t-shirt also, and along with that you'll get this tipping, a contrast tipping on each t-shirts,
Okay.
different colors.
Okay.
And if you go for a cotton, 100% cotton, we have in our own brand, Aerodynamics, that you will get 100% cotton, a bio-wash material. This one. 250 GSM, 100% cotton bio-wash material.
Okay.
This will cost you 350. This t-shirt will cost you 350. And we have many other brands also, like we have Swiss Military here.
Okay.
This will be of 750 rupees. And we have Puma
Okay.
and Arrow. You will get a good discount on this. If you go
It depends on quantity.
It depends upon the quantity.
Yeah.
And even the MRP of these t-shirts are around 2000 something.
Yeah.
You will get it for 800, like that.
Okay.
In hoodies, we have with zip and without zip also. I don't have without zip material, but the same fabric and the same pattern you will get without zip.
Okay.
And this hoodie will cost you 500 for without zip, and 525 for with zip.
With zip.
And this is 100% cotton.
Okay.
So for laptop bags, we have different material. We stitch it. This is our own manufacture. These bags are done.
These bags.
Yeah.
Okay.
This starts from 950 to 1000 rupees, and even this will cost you 975.
Okay.
And we can make your logo embroidery also. on this.
Okay, okay.
And we have branded also. We have in Targus brand, American Tourist, and Jack and Jones. We have US Polo, Puma, all different
Everything,
types.
yeah.
We have those things. And when it comes to diaries and notebooks, we have different types of diary. It starts from 120 rupees. These kinds of basic diary. This is just notebooks actually.
Yeah.
And we can make a logo print on this and even the individual names here. And these are all power bank diaries. You will get a 5000 mAh power bank here and then notebook. And even in this we can make a branding. And we have power banks here, different types of power banks. This is a card holder power bank, and this is a passport holder power bank. This we can use as a passport holder, and this will be a power bank also. And branding will be like this. We can do laser engraving,
Okay.
or else we can make printing.
Printing also. So this is printing.
This is printing, and
This
this
is
is
engraving.
engraving, laser engraving.
Okay.
And these are all caps. There are different types of caps, but the quality and all same. It starts from 90 rupees, and customized charge will be extra. Minimum quantity we expect is 20. This
Yeah.
is the printing one, and this is the embroidery.
Okay.
The panel will be different. If we go for embroidery, it will be of this panel, and engraving, printing will be like this.
Okay.
And we have these types of cap. We can make even chef caps also for hotels.
Okay.
Can do chef caps here. And this is the bottles. We have different types of bottles, metal water bottles, and even the flask and the mug, and different types of mugs. And it ranges, it starts from 150 and it goes up to 1500.
Okay.
Even the lunch box also.
Okay.
Even in lunch box, this one is the Bluetooth speaker with flask, and
Okay.
this is just a water bottle with vacuum suction.
Okay.
Okay, and these are all the flask. This is the flask, and this one is a flask. Let us know your budget and category you are looking for. Whether you are looking for the bags or bottles or dairies,
Yeah.
whichever you want. Depending upon your requirement, we give you the suggestion.
Okay.
We will send you some samples.
Yeah.
First, we will give you the samples, and you can choose the product. Then we will make a customized logo on that, and then you can decide.
Okay.
Then you
Okay.
can go for production. Coaster with logo branding on that.
Okay.
And these are all the table clocks.
Yeah.
A pen stand with table clock, and those things are just a table clock. And this is a unique product. This
What
can
is this?
use it as a photo frame here. Once we open it, you can use a diary also. We will keep a diary here and pen. This is just for gifting purpose.
Okay. Okay.
These are all for gifting purpose. And if you come for electronic gadgets, we have pen stands also. This is a pen stand with Bluetooth speaker.
Okay.
This can be used as a pen stand and the Bluetooth speaker. This is just a Bluetooth speaker. Electronic gadgets we have in many brands like Sony, JBL, ZEC. We have Portronics and Pebble. Many brands we have. And we can arrange the sample for you, and we can give you the best price according to quantity, and we can do logo branding also on those products.
Okay.
Okay. And if we come for pens, it starts from 6 to 7 rupees and all. These are all a promotional purpose pens.
Okay.
This will cost you around 6 rupees like that.
So you do
And
printing on
we can
the.
do printing on these
Yeah.
things. These are all the printing only. Geo for Geo. These are all many other pens. It starts from 10 rupees, and we have keychains.
Yeah.
These are all the lesser prices products. Keychains and pens, and we have higher ranges pens also in Parker,
Okay.
Parker and all. We have higher ranges, and we can give some gifts also, gift sets. This is a gift set, a card holder, a keychain, and a pen.
Okay.
This you can do based upon your budget.
Yeah.
You can choose the products depending upon your budget.
Yeah. Yeah.
We can make we can keep wallet also, and the budget of the pen you can choose. We can make customize on these things, and these are all passport holders. Passport holders. So that's it. We have many more products. If you visit our website, there we have uploaded most of our products.
Okay.
Other than these things,
Okay.
just for the sample sake, we have kept some samples here.
Yes. Yes.
But most of our products are in website.
Okay.
So we are using website as a catalog.
Yeah. Yeah.
You can go through the website. You can choose whichever product you want, and send that short list to us. We can arrange the sample,
Okay.
and we can make customize on those things.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
And I heard like you have your own printing here.
Yes, we have our own printing unit. We can show it to you.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is our printing unit. We do sublimation print. The sublimation printing is going on. This can be done only on
White
lighter
t-shirt.
t-shirt.
Okay.
I mean the white or sky blue or lemon color on those things like this thing. We have done some printing is going on.
Okay. Light color
Light
t-shirts.
this is for lemon yellow. And we have sky blue here. Sky blue.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
This is for sky blue. But only on these three colors. This is the sublimation
This
print.
is sublimation.
Sublimation print. And that can be done on polyester and lighter colors.
Okay.
And if you go for a cotton material or darker t-shirt, we can make screen print. This is the screen print. And maximum we can print 4 colors on this.
Okay.
And the size will be of A3 size, maximum A3 size.
A3 size.
From logo. And this is just for example, what we had done earlier.
Yes. Yes.
This is a screen print.
So screen printing is for multiple colors and different
Yeah,
shades.
up to 4 colors.
Up to 4
and
colors.
we can print a flat design.
Okay.
On sublimation, there can be a gradient also.
Okay.
We can print even the photo in
Okay.
sublimation.
Okay.
But the restriction is that can be done only on polyester
Okay.
and lighter colors.
Okay. Okay.
If you go for any other fabric, it will be of screen print and maximum 4 colors and the flat design. There won't be any gradient on that.
Okay. Understood.
This is our screen printing setup.
Yes.
Here we will be printing even the diaries, pens, each and everything we can do.
Okay.
This is
Okay.
our printing setup.
Nice. Nice.
Printing machine,
Okay.
and we can do water printing. This is a water printing machine, like the plastic, whatever the circular product will be there, we will print on this machine.
Okay. If you want, you can come here directly, or you can go through their website and call them. So they will send you a list of products for your range through WhatsApp or email or anything. So this is not only for corporate. If you are planning, t-shirt printing for any college fest or any functions, you can contact them. But minimum order quantity is 20 piece for anything like a flask, t-shirts, and then mugs. One thing is they have their own printing here, so you will get faster delivery. That's it. Yeah. Thank you.